Hi guys, welcome back. Naveed here. Today video we're going to talk about Google Pixel 8. The Google Pixel 8a has surfaced in a new live hands-on video. This reveals the box packaging of the phone and also the rear design. Pixel 8a is expected to come with the Tensor G3, a 4500 mAh battery, a 64 MP OIS camera, and Android 14 OS. The Pixel 8a is widely believed to arrive at the Google I/O 2024 show, which is scheduled for May 10th. But then, we didn't have to wait for the company to officially reveal the phone in full glory, as several leaks have already revealed quite a bit, including the specifications, price and design. Now, a new video has surfaced online, and this shows off the rear design and the retail packaging. Pixel 8a shows up in a new video. The new video has been shared by Twitter user Mr. Lupin. This is the same handle that posted the renders of the Pixel 8a. The video appears to be recorded from an electronics store, which suggests a serious security lapse on Google's part to contain early leaks. As revealed from earlier renders, the phone bears a horizontal strap on the back, and this houses dual camera sensors. We see the Google logo as well. The phone can be seen in green and blue color options. The box packaging is also the same, with a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, a SIM ejector tool, a USB-A to USB-C adapter, and some paper manual. The front design of the phone is not revealed, as there is a seal on the screen, considering they are retail units. Pixel 8a specifications expected. The Google Pixel 8a is tipped to feature a 6.1-inch FHD Plus OLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate and 1400 nits peak brightness. The handset is expected to be powered by the in-house Tensor G3 chipset. The phone is tipped to arrive with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB/256 GB storage, which might not be further expandable. The Google Pixel 8a is likely to run on Android 14 out of HE box. The phone is expected to feature a 64 MP primary camera with OIS and a 13 MP ultra-wide camera. There might be a 13 MP shooter on the front for selfies. The Pixel phone is expected to pack a 500 mAh battery with 27W fast charging support. The handset is expected to be priced between $500 and $550, which makes it slightly costlier than the previous A series phones. That's all guys. If you like this video, hit like. See you in next video. Goodbye.